Alright, my friends, for our next Montessori video, I am going to show you how to work on a math job called tiles, which I happen to notice is something we get to do on Thursday, or on another day if we wanted to choose it for extra work. So I will meander on over to the math shelf where we're starting to get organized. So these rectangular boxes are tiles, and I'll show you this job today. The answer tiles and charts go together as another tiles job, but I'll show you that a different day. You'll notice a pattern of color, red, green, yellow, so that's how we return them to the shelf. I need to get us green. We've only got red and yellow for the charts right now. Red being adding, green subtracting, and yellow multiplying. So I'm ready to do a tiles job. I'm going to grab 10 from in here. I don't have to use these unless I choose, especially because more than one friend might want to do this job at a time, so in order to share effectively, I'm going to get 10 tiles, and no matter which job you choose, 10's the magic number. I've got my tiles. This handy dandy binder is another new thing to show us how jobs are supposed to be done, and it is very bright, but you can see that I've got my mat set up. I've got a pencil. I'll show you what that's for with my marker, my math journal. So I will neatly set up my tiles. Okay. Set up all 10 in a nice little line. Open my binder up. Following the table of contents, I should be able to find the addition tiles on page 1. So it shows me I need a date and I need a title. So let me go on over here and get that set up as well. So today is actually 22nd of January, so I'm not just gonna copy it, I'm gonna put today's real date, but I can copy the title. Addition tiles. Okie doke. And then I'm noticing in the marker, skipping lines, I can make 10 dots just to make sure I remember to do 10 math problems. There's 5. And there's 5. Okie dokie. So that's how I got started. So let me just pick my first tile and get started. 7 plus 2. Okay, that one's easy. 9. Next. 8 plus 9. That one's a little trickier. If I don't want to hold up 9 fingers, what I do is I draw myself, oh, look at how bright it is. I draw myself a quick little number line so that I can take hops on the number line. So let me just do that real quick in my own journal. Shouldn't take me that long. I'm just gonna write numbers 1 through 20 and space them out pretty even. Oops, am I writing too big? I gotta be careful about that. Oh no, it only goes up to 18. I ran out of room. Well, that's okay. Alright, well, since we're adding, okay, we're gonna hop this way, adding is making more, so the numbers are getting bigger. I can even draw the addition symbol at the bottom, just like I see it there. Well, there's my number line. It's not perfect, but it'll do. So what was it again? 8 plus 9. So let me start at 8 and take 9 jumps forward. Okay, so I'm gonna start at 8 and very lightly with my pencil take my 9 hops forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I took 9 hops and I landed at 17. So that is my answer. Perfect. Then you notice the last thing that I did with my orange marker was put stars if they were correct and circle the number if it was incorrect, and then write the actual answer and put a star next to it. And where you get those answers are over here, and these are called control charts. The ones that are control charts I labeled for you. So I've got red adding, green, no, where's my green? Oh, that's actually green. I don't know why there's like barely any green, but there it is. Okay, so there's the adding one. Red adding, green subtracting, yellow multiplying, and I need to get us a blue one for dividing. Anywho, bring this over to my work spot. And I check to make sure my answer was correct. 7 plus 2 really does equal 9. Check. What about 8 plus 9? 8 plus 9. Bingo! Once I've written all 10, I'm done. I return everything to its home, even letting friends borrow this binder once I've gotten set up and I know what my page is supposed to look like. A friend can borrow that binder if they need it to help them with their math job. So there you go. Addition tiles. Have fun!